Hi there. Welcome to BrightMind Learning Hub, your go-to place for fun and educational learning. Today, we are diving into Scratch and creating a simple Hello World program. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Scratch and hit enter. You'll see a link to the official Scratch website. Click on it to begin. Once you are on the Scratch website, look for the Start Creating button and give it a click. This will take you directly to the Scratch editor. If you are a beginner, don't worry. You don't need to sign in or join to start creating your first project. Now, you'll be taken to the Scratch editor, where all the magic happens. When you arrive, you'll see some tutorial windows pop up. These are helpful, but for now, let's close them so we can dive straight into creating our Hello World program. This is what your screen will look like, a blank canvas ready for your creativity. This is the Scratch editor, where you can create and bring your programs to life. Now, let's start creating. First, go to the Looks section on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find various blocks for visual effects. Find the block that says, Say Hello for 2 seconds. Drag this block and drop it onto the right pane, which is our programming area. Great job so far. Your screen should now look like this, with the Say Hello for 2 seconds block placed in the programming area. Now, for the fun part. Simply click on the block you placed, and watch the cat on the rightmost pane say, Hello, for 2 seconds. And that's it. You've just created your very first Hello World program in Scratch. Congratulations on taking your first step into coding with Scratch. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video for more exciting projects. Bye for now.